Let's take a walk to the Florida room. Very nice vinyl plank floors. This is a temperature controlled room. Lots of windows, lots of space. This is very nice. Knockdown texture on the ceilings, friends. This room is awesome. And notice, friends, you look out the back of the home and you do not see a kissing lanai. Your neighbor does not have a lanai. Hello, welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Liberty Park in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Bougainvillea model home. Let's go inside and take a look. Welcome friends. Thank you for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's another open house video located here in the village of Liberty Park in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Bougainvillea model home. It is a wood-framed home and it is located on a very large corner lot. Let's walk up the driveway. First thing I notice, it does have a very nice brick or cement paver driveway that appears to be in very good condition. And the sidewalk leading up to the front entrance door is also the very same brick or concrete paver. I do notice it has very mature landscaping that's in very good condition. Also has a very large shade tree in the front of the home. This does have a 2-car garage, friends. As always, please contact your listing agent, Haskew Hayes at RE/MAX Premier Realty, if you have any questions about this home. Let's walk to the front of the home. You do see the brick paver does continue in the front of the home. There is a small patio and sitting area in this home. Very nice home. Looks in very good condition. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, Haskew. Can you tell me a little bit about this home?
Good afternoon. Yes, sir. This is a Bougainvillea model, and it is to about 2,092 square feet, according to the county records. There's been an addition added to the what used to be the lanai. It's now the sunroom. An additional about 400 additional square feet there. So overall, the house has about 2,200 or so square feet. It's a 3-2. And the model is very dominant throughout the villages as you go from house to house. We have carpet in the living room, dining room, bedrooms, but the Florida room is 18 feet by 30 feet, and it has the vinyl plank flooring, which is very nice. And the house is in really good condition. The air conditioning was put new in 2019. A new roof was put on the house in 2022. So looking into the future, you would have very little maintenance as far as those things are concerned. It has a 2-car garage. The master bedroom, of course, has the bathroom, and it has two walk-in closets, which normally only have one, but this one has 2. But we welcome you to the home and hope that the video shows a real plus for us.
Okay, thank you, Haskew. I will walk through the home. I'll describe what I see. I do appreciate it for allowing me to video this home today. This home is list priced at $480,000. The first thing I notice, friends, when I'm standing here in the foyer area, it does have a tile floor, and the living room area does have carpeting. This home does have acoustic texture on the ceilings. It is very neutrally decorated as well. As you pan off to the back of the home, you do see that extra large Florida room with vinyl plank flooring in there. We will take a look at that a little bit later. Panning off here into the kitchen area, it does have an island. It does have Formica countertops. It does have tile floors, stainless appliances, has a natural gas stove as well, which is a plus for many. It has a 2-bowl sink. It does have a tile backsplash as well, friends. Very beautiful. It does have wood cabinets with brushed stainless hardware on it. Let me turn around and show you the island area. That is your island. That is panning off into the living and dining room area. This is a split bedroom design home, friends. Off to that side of the home, you do see a guest quarter, and you will find the primary bedroom on the other side of the home. Let's take a walk into the laundry area first. You will see the ceramic tile floors continue in the laundry area. Very bright laundry area. It does have white cabinets. As always, friends, please refer to the specification sheet for the room dimensions as well as the ages of your mechanicals. This is a 2-car garage. And this is a Bougainvillea model home. This is a very popular home. Any of these designer homes that have split bedroom design are usually very popular here in the villages. It does have a sink here in the corner. Let's continue off into the primary bedroom area. Primary bedroom does have carpeted floors. Primary bedroom dimensions are 13 feet, 13.2 by 14.5. It does have acoustic textured ceilings. Thank you for liking my videos, friends. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. It is free to subscribe to my channel, friends. This is your primary bedroom. That is your primary bathroom as well. As Haskew mentioned before, they do have 2 walk-in closets, one off to the left with wire rack shelves, and one off to the right, carpeted floors, wire rack shelves, acoustic texture ceilings. This is your primary bathroom. It does have 2 sinks in it. Looks like it has brushed stainless fixtures in this bathroom as well. It does have a solar tube. Very nice. Formica countertops and wood cabinets. Off to the left, friends, it does have a separate commode room with a sliding pocket door. It has a window. It's nice and bright in that commode room. Very nice, very neutrally colored home. Off to the right, you will see a tiled shower with a glass door. Let's take a look at the shower. That is a tile shower. Very good condition, very neutrally colored shower as well. All right, friends, let's take a walk to the Florida room area, and then we'll walk to the backyard. Let's take a walk to the Florida room. Very nice vinyl plank floors. This is a temperature controlled room. Lots of windows, lots of space. This is very nice. Knockdown texture on the ceilings, friends. This room is awesome. And notice, friends, you look out the back of the home and you do not see a kissing lanai. Your neighbor does not have a lanai on that side of the home. That is a benefit, my friends. The Florida room dimensions are 18 feet by 30 feet. This room is enormous. You do have a pass-through window from the kitchen into the Florida room so you can entertain. Let's take a walk out of the sliding glass door. You do have a patio area. This cement looks relatively new. It is painted cement. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. This home is located on a large corner lot, and the back of the home is facing southwest. The front of the home is facing northeast. Please contact the listing agent if you have any questions about this home. Haskew will answer any and all of your questions. I do appreciate it. Let's go back in the home. Let's take a look at the guest quarters of this home. Like I mentioned before, this is a split bedroom design home. Very popular model here in the Villages, Florida. I'll take a walk off into the guest area. Here is the guest area. It is located on the opposite side of the home as the primary bedroom area. It does have a sliding pocket door, so your guests could close that off for privacy. You will see 2 bedrooms and a bathroom on this side of the home. Here is a bedroom that is located in the back of the home. It does have carpeted floors. It has acoustic textured ceilings, very bright, large windows as well. This bedroom does have a closet with raised panel doors. Let's take a look to see what the inside of the closet looks like. That is the inside of your closet in your guest bedroom. It does have wire rack shelves. Let's take a walk out into the guest area. The bathroom is located here. It does have wood cabinets, tile floors, 1 sink in it. It does have a solar tube up there, my friends. There's not a dark spot in this house. I just want to let you know that. It has a tub with a tile surround as well. Very nice. Very neutrally decorated home. Here's another guest bedroom with carpeting. This is located in the front of the home. That looks like it's a TV bracket. Maybe they use this room as a den. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it. This is a bedroom. It does have sliding doors on the closet, raised panel, 6-panel doors. I will show you the inside of that closet as well, friends. There is the inside of this closet. Carpeted floors. And it has the wire rack shelves as well. This is a Bougainville model home located here in the Village of Liberty Park. The list price is $480,000. Please contact the listing agent, Haskew Hayes, if you have any questions. I will leave his contact information in the description of this video. I do appreciate it, friends. Just panning off one last time. That Florida room is awesome. Kitchen, very high ceilings. There is a solar tube in the kitchen if I didn't mention it before. I will mention it now. I will now walk off into the out into the street. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. Again, thank you, Haskew, for allowing me to video the home. There is no bond on this home, just so you know, friends. Anytime you buy a home in the Villages, your all-in cost on the home should include the list price of the home as well as any remaining bond balance This home has no bond balance. Let's take a walk out into the street, friends. I'll give you a panoramic view and the directions of the street. Very nice home, very comfortable home. Quiet neighborhood, large corner lot, large shade tree is awesome. As always, friends, please contact Haskew Hayes with Remax Premier Realty. If you have any questions about this home, there he is. That's his contact information. Let's walk out into the street, friends. I'll give you a panoramic view of the street. Very nice and quiet neighborhood here in the village of Liberty Park. This is panning east, my friends. That is your home. Bougainvillea model, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. And that is panning west, my friends. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for subscribing. I do appreciate it. That is your home. Bougainvillea model home, designer home, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. List price $480,000 here in the village of Liberty Park. Take care, everybody. Thank you for taking this home tour located here in the village of Liberty Park in the Villages, Florida. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Bougainvillea model home is located here in the Villages, Florida. Take care, everybody. Here's the specification sheet, friends. As always, please contact Haskew Hayes. If you have more questions about this home, it is located at 1414 Georgetown Avenue in the Villages. List price $480,000. It is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Bougainvillea model designer home. Feel free to pause the video at any point.